So today we're just going to be using 4 Seasons Marble 8 ply 100% acrylic yarn, and it's telling us that we need to use a 4mm crochet hook. So let's grab a 4mm and let's get started. Okay, so for today's tutorial purposes, I'm going to use a size H 5mm crochet hook, just so that you can see what I'm doing. Now, to start off with, get your end bit of your yarn. This is going to be for your slip knot. And what I do is I just turn it over my fingers like that, grab it, and then I cross it like so. And then I get my crochet hook and I go in, and then I turn it and I pull it through and twist. You got your little loop there, and I take my fingers out and it creates a knot, and you'll have your tail and your working yarn. Your working yarn is attached to your ball of yarn, so I'll just pull that and that just brings the knot up, and there's your slip knot. So to create a chain, whatever way works for you to hold your yarn, I tend to hold it like so, my middle and thumb, and I just yarn over, grab the hook and pull through the first loop. So again, yarn over, grab the yarn and pull through the hole. Again, yarn over, turn your hook and pull through. Okay, and I just want you to keep practicing that. So yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. And I tend to then get my fingers and thumb and I move it up closer to the hook just to hold it in place for more tension. And then I'll just yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. And this is creating your chains. Okay, so just yarn over and pull through. Move your fingers up, yarn over and pull through, and just keep practicing. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. Now if you find that your stitches, or your chains I should say, should look like this, okay, so just keep practicing. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through, again yarn over and pull through. And I just want you to keep practicing. Just go yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. You just let the hook do all the work. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. Now that's your chain. Now if you were to do it loosely, so for instance you go, see how it's too big like so, and it doesn't, so you just try it again. So that means you're loose, it's too loose, your tension's too loose. Now if your tension's too tight, see how I'm having troubles pulling it through like that? So you gotta try and find the medium. So yarn over and pull through, because if you're having trouble pulling the yarn through on your chain, imagine the difficulty that you're going to have when you're trying to do your first row of stitches. Okay, so just yarn over and pull through, and there's your chains. Now when you look at your stitches, you will see that, they look like V's. Okay, there's two little loops there, makes it look like a V. And if you turn the chain over, you'll see a little bump there. Some people go into the bump when they start their foundation row, others just go into the stitches at the front. When we do the single crochet, I'll teach you to go through the front. So just keep practicing, and then we'll come back and I'll teach you how to do a single crochet. Good luck, everyone.